Hello TRO Vans, this is Triple R Investigations, Ryan Rider, with a short video on how to create a bird's eye view of a 3D crime scene that you've created. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go into your scene software and pull up your project. Make sure you have a clipping box around your area so you can define the area that you're wanting to use this video for. So once you've created your video and you have it on your screen here, you go to your apps button in the top right bar, click on apps. It'll bring up your video. Under video, hit the arrow, it pulls down all your options. These are options we can discuss later. Right now we're just doing bird's eye. These options are, you want to create your own paths and use the scanner heads. Those are pretty good options for walkthroughs. Today we're just doing a bird's eye, which is real good for a scene where you got the roof cut out and exposed so you can see your crime scene. So my left mouse, click on that. I've already done some work on this, so it's asking me if I want to override it. So I'm going to create some new spots here. So you can see it's creating viewpoints 1 through 12 and a circular pattern up above the situation here, the clipping box. Okay, so once again, if orientation is a little off or you want some work on something, you're going to have to do this in FARO Zone 3D, which gives you some more various options, and it takes out their logo. But for this quick one, you may just want to use this and represent the scene. So a couple of things is we can save this bird's eye view path under the box here. Save path, left mouse click it. It'll default a name. You can redo that if you want and hit save. It's going to give us some options of preview the path at the very bottom. It's a great option. And left mouse click it, it gives you your options on how to move through the video, and the yellow line is your viewpoint where the camera's looking. It's got play, stop, previous viewpoint, previous frame, next frame, last viewpoint, and then loop path. So if I hit play, this is going to give me an idea what the video is going to end up looking like in an MP4 format or WMV, whichever you choose. You can tell the 30 frames per second, pretty good rate. You can slow it or speed it up depending on your preferences, but it really gives a good idea on what the point cloud looks like that you're presenting if you just want to show it to investigators or administration, something of that nature. So once again, it just circles us around the scene. I go back here and I close out this window. I'll go back to my previous camera path settings. Now I'm going to go next because I'm ready to create this. So from here, under your settings, your video setting, you have a video format, so I can do MP4 or Windows WMV. I can show where my folder is. So if you don't like the default, you go over here to browse, left mouse click it, and on your computer you can change it to maybe your project file. Right now I just got it set to videos. However you want to, or wherever you want to create that file and locate it, it could go there. Here's your name. So if you want to create this, you need to create a name that you'll understand, maybe by case number or describe the scene, and that's where you want to name it there. Your quality, if you click on it, left mouse click, you go from 4 to 3 variations up to 16:9, which is what I have it set at, so pretty high quality. Your frames per second, you can go from 12 to 60, depending on what you're trying to create here. Bit rate, how do you want it to refresh and load very high. Once again, all these affect the size of your file. This is going to create a 34-second video with 1020 frames in it. So all the information you need. You've got the preview button again if you make some changes and you want to view it again. If not, down here you've got your start button. Under create, let's go over this a second. It's got video and images or just video. So if you want to create these 1020 frame pictures, you can, or just video, or both. So on this one, we've got everything we want set up here. Bottom right hand corner is a start button. I have created this already, shorten up this video, so it's giving me a different window. Yours will be just this view window, and it'll count down how much time's elapsed, the remaining time for you, and it also remind you the format, location, what settings you did, and the final result when you hit start. So once again, if you hit start, this starts to roll and create your video, and you can watch it. And this one took about 50 minutes with all the settings that I did. It's part of the time frame to create this. If you do less frames and slower video, you can get that time down. So once again, that video was placed in a file that under video, and here's a sample of what you saw, a preview of the end result, the MP format. I'm sorry, MP4 format. So a great way to represent your scene, create videos of whatever you have on the scene. This is a bird's eye, works really well with room crime scenes where you've got a reduced area, and walking through that may not show a whole lot, but removing the ceiling and showing everything really pops out. Once again, thanks for your time. Here's my contact information. Go onto the website and give me some examples of what you may want video-wise. Be glad to create them, what you're working with, what you're having trouble remembering, and we'll create you a video to help you get through it. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.